Hey everybody! We're going to learn how to use quotation marks correctly when we're writing dialogue. Dialogue is when we report what someone says, and we have to be careful how we punctuate it. Let's say we've got a character here. We'll name him Jake. Jake loves pizza. He's going to say a few things about pizza, and we're going to report what he says, and in the process, learn how to punctuate his speech properly with quotation marks. Jake said, "I love pizza." When the tag, that's the Jake said part, comes before the dialogue, we set it off from the dialogue with a comma. Also notice that we end the dialogue section with a period that is placed inside the quotation mark. Okay, that's the first way that dialogue can appear, when the tag comes first, followed by the dialogue. Let's look at another way that dialogue can be presented. "I love pizza," said Jake. So now, the tag comes after the dialogue. Notice how we set the tag apart from the dialogue by using the comma after the last word of dialogue. And also notice how it is placed inside the quotation marks. So far, so good? Okay, let's try another scenario. Let's say the dialogue is interrupted by the tag, like in this example. "I love pizza," said Jake, "but I'm crazy about pasta." Okay, a few things here. Notice the two commas that are used to set off the tag. One comes after pizza inside the quotation marks, and the other one comes after Jake before the quotation marks. We're using that second comma there because we are interrupting his sentence. He hasn't completed his sentence yet, so we're using that comma after Jake to indicate that he is still in mid-sentence. Now, compare that sentence to this one. "I love pizza," said Jake. "Will you join me for dinner?" Notice how we put a period after Jake this time? Any guesses why? Anyone? Anyone? It's because Jake had completed his sentence, "I love pizza." So we put a period there. We know it's a completed sentence because he starts another sentence when he says, "Will you join me for dinner?" You know it's a new sentence because the capital W in the word will gives you a clue. Whew, that's a lot, I know. But one last thing. Notice how we kept the exclamation point and question mark inside the quotation marks? That's because we are still quoting Jake's words. So we have to keep that punctuation inside the quotation marks. Okay, be sure to use these rules when you're writing dialogue, and you'll get the hang of it in no time. Laters!